Hi everyone! In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assemble my water lily and lotus leaves. Both leaves are included in one download, and the assembly is really easy, but I thought I'd show you in a video anyway. Here are the two leaves. The water lily leaf on the left is probably the more familiar one to most people. It has that large notch in it. And the lotus leaf on the right is more fully rounded. The biggest difference between water lilies and lotuses is that water lilies sit right on the water surface, whereas lotus leaves and flowers hover above the water surface on their branches. These leaves do not come with the flowers. I do have a lotus or water lily flower design, as you see here. I'll link to it below, and if you haven't seen it already, it is actually a hanging lantern, and I've just left the bottom pieces off so that it can sit on these leaves. Okay, so here are the two parts of the water lily leaf, and here are the two parts for the lotus leaf. Now let's start with the water lily leaf. The one thing I want to point out is when you have your pieces cut out, just do a dry run of placing them together before you add any glue. And make note of how they line up. Then when you're ready to glue, flip the vein piece over and apply your glue in dots all around the piece. I'm using tacky glue, which is a little bit thicker than white glue, but white glue will also work here. Then flip it back and place it on your leaf. And here, if you really want it to be perfect, you just want to make sure that the extra green border along the edges are even all around. Then press down, and that's it. The lotus leaf parts attach the same way, but this one might be trickier because it doesn't have that large notch. It does have this slight notch, so you can use this as your guide for placement. And once again, apply your glue evenly all around. And then attach it to your leaf piece. And that's all, guys. Thanks for following along.